Hello friend, welcome to my channel Utpal. This video I am going to show you how can make this type of rain effect in Photoshop. Just in quick and easy way I will show you friend. So before I continue this video, if you are first time tuning into this channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the like button if you like this video. So let's see how I have done this process. It's so much easy and quick. So let's go to our portrait to show you how I have done this. So I have already opened and I have already worked on this the portrait. So I am deleting all the layer I have done here. So here is the main portrait. I am except this one I deleting all the through the shift key, holding the shift key, or select all the layer and enter the delete key on your keyboard. Now everything is deleted. Now the separately you can see this the our portrait is ready. So next thing we're gonna do, we create a new layer for this. So here is a new layer. Control no, here is a new layer. Create a new layer above this top right layer. Here's a new layer you create. Thereafter fill with the black color. Hold the Alt key and backspace. It will be filled with the black color. If the black color is not ready, is going not be selected. So you press that key here. You also click it here, so you get the color plate here. Okay, or you can also double click it here, and the color plate here. You choose the total black color here. Here's the color code 0000. Okay, friend. So next thing we're gonna do, go to the filter menu, and you can find it here pixelate. Go to the filter menu and go to the pixelate. Thereafter you can find for point lies you can get here point lies. Okay, here is the pop-up menu come out. Here is a cell size you can see. If you holding the here is a this slider, you drag it to the left side or right side, you can see it's increasing the size. So you need to pick somewhere the cell size around 6 to 7. I picking it 6 size. Okay, I click in OK here. So just a minute, Photoshop will process some. Okay, you can see that I'm zooming this photo. You can see this the inside what is happened. So next thing I'm gonna do, I going to reduce the light of the portrait here. This shadow. Uh, Hold the Control key in your keyboard and press L. You get the labels. So here is the middle slider. I drag it to the right side. Okay, and clicking OK. Okay, now next thing we're gonna do, go to filter again and click on blur. Here is you can find the motion blur. Okay, and we're creating a rain effect. You know, if the rain is falling from the sky, and you need to choose the angle and the direction for it. So which direction you want to show that rain is falling, so you can adjust it here, or also you can put it the number according you want to fit it here. So I'm choosing this direction to be falling the rain. To I want to show you this way rain is coming. So you can also adjust here the distance, how speed is the rain is falling. Okay, so I take it 22 distance, you know, and I'm pressing OK for this. Okay, press it OK here. I have pressed OK. Now next thing I'm gonna do, I'm going to change the blending mode of the layer. So go to the normal to screen. I come out to the screen. You can see that how much is that now is changed. So next thing I'm going to do, again Control L, press on your keyboard. Hold the Control key on your keyboard and press L. You got a label, and now you try to adjust the base. This slider, what gonna do is that all the way if we're taking this slider to the this way, is going to be all the black is going to be reduce. This slider reveal white part, and this slider is adjust the black part, and this is the midway that's highlight, you know. So I'm taking it to the down right side. So okay, you can understand, you can accordingly you fit and adjust whatever way that you want to fit. And now pressing OK, you can see the reduce of the light here, and so much I can also reduce it again pressing the Control L. And now I also want to darken the light of the this portrait here. Here you can see this now is pretty much raining. Raining effect is done. So next thing you can do also, go to the filter menu again, and you can find it here, blur menu. You can also apply Gaussian blur. Gaussian blur. So you can use it somewhere around 5 or 9. 5 or 9. I choosing it 8, 0.8 radius, and press it OK. Now you can understand that how it's looking. So this is the way you can make easily rain effect in Photoshop. Or also you can do one more thing. You can also like to remove this face area. This is the raining effect. So pressing the mask button here, add a layer mask. You insert a layer mask and pressing the B key on your keyboard, filled with black, and brush is selected. So general soft round brush, and opacity and flow is completely. You can also make it 100%, or I am using some around 60%. You know, so I'm pressing it here. So is going to be removed from that particular face side. You can also see in the thumbnail of the layer marks, that is the where is the black color is filled is not going to show the effect, you know. And you can also adjust it here, like to somewhere around you see something different from the rest of the image. Here you can remove this one, and also next thing you can do, like you can adjust, you can play with that. Control J, through entering the Control J in your keyboard, you get a new layer according the same. And next thing we're going to do, holding the Control and T key on your keyboard, you get a transformation. So you can move through the holding the Shift key and moving some around this way, and drag it down to the this direction. I taking it to the down and pressing the tick mark. Okay, so I want to reduce a bit light. Here is a, I don't want to show lots of rain here, so you can manage it here, selecting the this icon, this layer. You can reduce the opacity of the layer. I'm reducing the opacity. You can see that trend, it's reduce the opacity of this, the rain effect. This way you can make rain effect in Photoshop. So friend, I hope that you understand the concept of the rain effect, how you can apply this in your image. Any portrait you can use and apply this type of rain effect you can make. uh, this is the easy process, I think. I hope this video you enjoy a bit, and if you like this video, please like this, hit the like button, and if you are not, please hit the dislike button. And if you have any comment regarding this video, I want to listen from you friends. Please make me a comment so that I get motivation from you. I want to know from you, hear from you. So thank you for watching this video. I really enjoyed to creating this video. Thank you for watching again, and subscribe. And if you got to know any more answer, please put a comment, so I will answer everyone's comment. So thank you friend, thank you for watching this video. uh, Thank you.